Captions AI versus CapCut. Which is the best for you for automatic video editing? Captions AI is designed for creators who want fast, AI-enhanced video edits. It automatically adds captions, resizes for platforms, removes filler words, and suggests cuts. You can change tone, add subtitles in multiple languages, and auto-generates scripts. It's ideal for talking head content, podcast, and reels. On the other hand, CapCut is a full-featured video editor by ByteDance. It supports automatic captions, templates, transitions, effects, and timeline editing. It's more manual but more powerful. You get better control over layers, effects, and expert quality. CapCut works for both casual and advanced users making social media content. Use Captions AI for speed and speech-based automation. Use CapCut for detailed editing with visual control. Captions AI for talking content. CapCut for creative edits.